So I have here in my hands a very beautiful, attractive cotton rope stair basket. So I'm going to cut to the chase right now because I know you're looking at this trying to answer questions whether this is right for you or not, and I don't know if you've looked at the comments or you're wondering. So when this first comes to you, this comes obviously packaged, it gets shipped to you, and there will be some wrinkles in it, normal with everything in the world. And so what I wanted to do is share some pro tips in terms of how you can make yours look like this. Just for the record, the person who brought this to us here came from Ohio, flew, was packed in her bag, took an iron to it in 2 seconds, and it looks fabulous. You can expect yours to look fabulous also. But so when you get yours, it's just a general good recommendation to kind of fill it up, stuff it a little bit. That'll naturally pull out some of those wrinkles. You can use things that kind of generate mild heat, right? Like a steamer, an iron on low. You could put it in the dryer on medium. Any of those traditional things will remove those packing wrinkles quickly. So I want you to know that quickly and try to help you out while you're trying to make a decision. Let's talk about the product itself and what it does. So this, if you don't know, which I'm assuming you do because you're watching this sits on normally the bottom step of your staircase, and it is just a great place for mom to train her children or her husband to put all those things that end up on the floor at the bottom of the stairs, right? So to put the toys or to put the blankie here or the dirty socks, all those fun things that need to go to the top of the stairs, but it's now all over the floor in the house. Train those critters to put them in here. And then a key feature of this is the strength of it. Like I'd like to try to show you this stitching as well as I can. Look at how well that handle is stitched on there. You are not going to pick this up and bam, have it all go down the stairs. I look at a lot of things all the time, and I could tell when things are built right and things are built like crap. This is definitely built right. It is really attractive. It looks cool. I even like the quality. They took the time to have a nice badging on it, label on it. This is definitely a really nice quality product, right? This is not a cheap purchase. This is something that you care about, you want to have in your house. It's attractive, and it's going to resolve a problem at the same time. One extra thing that I wanted to tell you is it doesn't have to sit at the bottom of the stair or take up a ton of room in your closet. If for some reason you're going to have guests or your mother-in-law is coming and you want it all to look nice and neat, it will fold up the same way it did when you got it. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.